In another video we spoke of equity. But what exactly is equity, you may ask? In the simplest terms, your home's equity is the difference between how much your home is worth and how much you owe on your mortgage. Let's say you bought a $250,000 house with a down payment of 7%, approximately $17,500, resulting in a loan amount of $232,500. To calculate your home equity, subtract the amount of the outstanding mortgage loan from the price paid for the property. At the time you buy, your home equity would be $17,500, or the amount of your down payment. By securing a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage at 4.5%, your monthly mortgage payment is $1,178 without taxes and insurance. Paying your mortgage each month, you will make mortgage payments that will decrease the amount you owe on your loan. Continuing with our previous example, let's look how your equity would increase after 10 years of mortgage payments. After 10 years, the unpaid principal balance, the amount you owe on your mortgage, is down to $186,208. Using the formula from above, your total equity is now $63,792. Note, this is your total equity only if the value of the property remains the same as it was 10 years ago, which is where appreciation factors in. Over time, it is unlikely the value of your property will remain the same as when you originally purchased it. While property values can go up or down, the national average for home appreciation is 3% per year. If you live in a neighborhood where property values are going up overall and you've maintained your property well, the amount of your equity will increase as well. In our example, if your home appreciated by 3% annually, your home's value would increase from $250,000 to $335,979 after 10 years. That's a 34% increase in value. Using the formula from above, home value, principal owed, equals home equity, you would have $149,771 in equity. Building equity through your monthly principal payments and appreciation is a critical part of homeownership that can help you create financial stability. It's important to note that some markets appreciate faster than others. It's also possible for home values to depreciate due to economic conditions, your home not being kept up, or a drop in neighborhood home values. Thank you for watching. We hope this video was informative. If you have any questions or want to learn more, or if you are interested in selling or purchasing a home, here is our contact information. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you. We will see you next time.